Okay, now let's see how to delete a node from the linked list. So you know that this is the list given first 1, 2, 3. Key is equal to 1, that is a case 1, you want to delete the first node. So if key is equal to 1, so key indicates the item value for the node which you want to delete. If key is equal to 1 means we want to delete this node. Another meaning of the same is we want to delete the first node because key is equal to 1. So if we delete the first node, the start of the linked list will change. So when we call the delete first function, first is will be passed as the actual argument will be copied in the list. Okay. So now my list is also pointing at the beginning of the linked list. So if I just want to delete the first node, as my link list is pointing here, I can make it to point here. So I will write list is equal to list arrow next. So list is equal to list arrow next. So this list will come here. This link is broken and my list is here. So after the function, after at the end of the function, you need to return the list because the list is updated. You deleted this node and your pointer from here, now it is here. From here your link is starting. List indicates always the start of linked list. This is deleted and this is the new start of the linked list. So you need to return the list. Case B, where you are not deleting the first node but a node in between the linked list. It is available in between the linked list. So for that again we need to find the N1. N1 provides a link to the node before the key node. Suppose you want to delete the node 2, so your key value is 2, then you need to reach one node before the key node, that is a one node before the node 2. So my N1 will be here. So again you can check that condition. N1 arrow next arrow item is equal to key. You can keep on increasing the N1. So when my N1 is here and I want to delete this node, so I can simply do this N1 arrow next. It means this is pointing here. Instead of that, N1 arrow next is equal to N1 arrow next arrow next. So you need to write only one statement. N1 arrow next is equal to N1 arrow next arrow next. So this link is broken and N1 arrow next points to N1 arrow next arrow next. So now N1 arrow next pointing to this and it is pointing to node 3. So automatically node 2 is deleted. So this is how you can delete a node. The delete function, how it works. Node delete, node pointer. In main, first of all, we will create the linked list. So this is the linked list creation. Print the linked list, then we insert a node, then again we print the linked list, then we delete a node, and then again we print the linked list. Okay, so that is how it will go. Let's see the definition of delete. So here you can see the delete function. We need a value key. Key means key represents the item value that node we want to delete. N1 is equal to list. My N1 points to the same list. N1 is equal to list. Now we will print a message, enter the item value of key node and scan the key node. If list arrow item is equal to key, what is the meaning of this? That first node is the key node. So we want to delete the first node. So we simply write list is equal to list arrow next. So that is our case A. Delete the first node. In else, if it is not the first node, we need to find n1, where n1 points to a node before the key node. So let's find the n1. So condition is okay, similar to insert function. Yes, similar to insert function, we want to find the node n1. N1 arrow next arrow item is equal to key, then the node is found, n1 found, and break. Otherwise, you go in else and you reach at the end n1 arrow next equal to null, but you have not found the n1, then n1 is equal to null and you break. Otherwise, if this is not done, then you increase the n1. n1 is equal to n1 arrow next. So n1 is not equal to null means we found a link before the key node. We found the key node. So n1, this statement n1 arrow next is equal to n1 arrow next that we have seen can be written to delete the node. In else, we will print the key node not found. And then finally, we return the updated pointer list. Let's run the program. Create the linked list 1, 2, 3 and minus 999. Now this is the linked list. Enter the item value 45. We want to insert the node 45 before 2. So 1, 45, 2, 3. Enter the item of the key node that you want to delete. 45 you want to delete. So finally the link will be 1, 2, 3. Create a linked list 1, 2, 3. Enter the item value, that is 45. Okay. Then 2 means you want to insert this 45 before 2. So here we are calling the insert function. So 1, 45, 2 and 3. Now this is the delete function. Enter the item value of key node that you want to delete. So that is 1. So we want to delete the first node. So after you press enter, the updated linked list is 45, 2 and 3. This become your first node 45, 2 and 3. Okay. Let us run one more time. One, two, three, minus 999. So this is your linked list. New node is 45. A key node is 3. So we want to insert this before 3. 1, 2, 45, 3 and enter the value of key node that you want to delete is 3. So now from 1 to 45, 3, this node is deleted and a final list will be 1 to 45. Okay, thank you.